Thank you very much, Vice Chancellor. Your Excellency, allow me now to invite the Chairman, Board of Trustees, National Intelligence and Research University to come and make his remarks. Karibu.
Your Excellency, the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, the Vice CDF, General Ominde, Honorable Julius Migosi Ogamba, CS Education, Honorable Duale, CS Environment, retired NIS DGs, Brigadier Wilson Boynet, Major General Michael Gichangi, Major General Philip Kamero, Professor Chacha Nyegoti Chacha, Chairman Commission of University of Education, the PS Education, Professor Mike Kuria, Secretary of the Commission for University Education, NIRUK Council members, Islamic University of Kenya members, colleagues, the NIS Deputy Director General, directors and senior officers from the NIS, our distinguished guests, good morning. Your Excellency, today marks a watershed moment in the history of our nation as you confer the Charter of the National Intelligence and Research University, NIRU. Indeed, Your Excellency, we are privileged that you have bestowed upon us this honor. This charter is not only a testament to a commitment to the education of our intelligence professional and community, but also a promise to securing our nation's future. The journey towards this charter, Your Excellency, has been long and winding. We reflect on it with nostalgia and focus a brighter future. The turn of the millennium necessitated the need to respond to the changing threat environment. To achieve this goal, the service collaborated with various institutions, including the ones mentioned, but in particular, University of Nairobi, the Australian National University, and Strathmore University, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, our strength lies in the capacity of the faculty that we have built over the years. We pride in our ability to deliver both theoretical and practical understanding of intelligence and national security that translates into professional experience. The rising demand for our faculty in the region provides an opportunity to advance our national interest. Notably, Your Excellency, NIRU faculty is supporting the Rwandese service to establish a similar institution, while also delivering lectures in Mozambique and Uganda. While our efforts have invariably contributed towards professionalism of intelligence, sustainability remains a challenge. With this in mind, Your Excellency, we have embarked on a deliberate process to establish a Center of Excellence in Intelligence Research in a cost-effective manner. Through the legal notice number 96 of June 11, 2021, the National Intelligence and Research University College was established as a constituent of National Defence University, Kenya. This journey would not have been possible without the efforts of my predecessors. Their collective vision and shared values have led to the establishment of a pioneer specialized university in intelligence education in Africa. We also acknowledge the leadership of the National Defence University, Kenya, for mentorship throughout this journey, Your Excellency. I humbly request that we give a round of applause to these great men and women of our Republic. Our university is a melting pot of diverse cultures, representing 31 students currently from the Eastern African region. These include 14 from Kenya, 3 from Uganda, 3 from Tanzania, 2 from Rwanda, 2 from Burundi, 2 from Malawi, and 2 from Mozambique. We project, Your Excellency, that this number will grow with the award of this charter and the increased allocations to our strategic partners within the region and the continent. So far, we have offered 4 slots to Ghana, 3 to Uganda, and 2 each to Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa, Guinea-Bissau, and Liberia. In addition, Botswana, Gambia, and Sierra Leone have recently requested slots, Your Excellency. We look forward to you presiding over the inaugural NIRU graduation next year. NIRU, Your Excellency, is founded with a clear and ambitious mission to empower the intelligence community through innovative intelligence education and cutting-edge research. This cause is core to our contribution to the national transformation agenda. Our philosophy anchors on shaping the future, thinking in intelligence and national security. It informs our vision to be a premier service technology and research-intensive African university recognized globally for excellence in technology and intelligence education. Your Excellency, research and development and innovation in the intelligence sector provides the nation with an advantage in solving complex problems. Over the years, our investment in research and development has enabled us to attain about 40% autonomy through homegrown solutions. We aspire to grow this to close to 100%, Your Excellency. Beyond mainstream intelligence operation, our drone technology supports initiatives such as resource mapping, food security projections, among others. Through the established NIRU Board of Trustees, we shall mobilize more resources to ensure the university plays its rightful role in advancing science, technology, research and innovation, which will in turn enhance the service's operational capability and technology transfer in the region. This will eventually allow us to be self-sufficient and less reliant on foreign hardware and software. Emerging technologies, Your Excellency, including artificial intelligence, quantum computing, blockchain, the Internet of Things, biotechnology, and climate intervention technologies, among others, portend both threats and opportunity. NIRU aims to exploit the opportunities while mitigating the vulnerabilities imposed by these developments. The university will therefore be instrumental in positioning Kenya as Africa's Silicon Valley, as you envisage, Your Excellency. As I conclude, let me reiterate that this charter is significant in many ways, Your Excellency. It comes at a critical point in our history as the service celebrates its Silver Jubilee 25 years this year, Your Excellency. It also provides a rare opportunity to reconnect with founders of modern intelligence in Kenya. In a special way, Your Excellency, allow me to acknowledge Brigadier Retired Wilson Boynet, who we consider as the father of modern intelligence in Kenya. He laid the foundation upon which successful progress in Kenya's intelligence is anchored. I wish also, Your Excellency, to thank Major General Gichangi, who established the first school of analysis in the service, and Major General Kameru for starting and initiating the foundation of this college and university today. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to thank you most sincerely for making time to confer this charter. I am also grateful for your support in the creation of NIRU and for your patronage to NIS. Your devotion and passion for education, higher learning and technology are envisioned, actualized and embodied in NIRU's vision, Your Excellency. May God bless you and continue to grant you wisdom as you steer our beloved nation to prosperity. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all those who have contributed to the award of this charter. Thank you for your unwavering dedication and service. Let us embark on building NIRU with confidence, determination, and a shared commitment to excellency. May God bless you all, and may God bless Kenya. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman. Your Excellency, we in Kenya are, under your leadership, are a God-fearing nation. And for that reason, if you allow me, I will invite two people to just pray for the leadership